Ahaha mahanto yuyam sadaya vayam api viraha vyakula vridya katayata manavati rityaman smitavananasya hari paravim na. Ahaha, you are all great souls, it means the flowers, who show compassion unto others. We are suffering with very agitated hearts due to separation from our beloved Krishna. Please tell us where that Hari has gone. He whose face is always smiling due to removing the conceit of us proud girls. Because there's nothing more delectable or attractive to the conquering spirit. The aggressive conquering spirit of a man is so much excited and pleased by the opposing nature of the woman. When she's conceited, what the translation is conceited, but when we hear the word conceited, we have sort of a negative meaning. But it actually means she's proud and she's saying, no, I'm not interested, get lost. And of course that's a bluff. But that's kind of the ways of love.